Hey squad, what's going on? Saturday pickup day. Today is going to be a washed heritage kind of day. Here at the mall, about to go grab and pick up my reserve pair, finish line exclusive access. Got that status access. What was that, on Wednesday? Let me know if you guys picked yours up this morning. Any W's on sneakers? We're gonna go in here, see what's going on in store. And yeah, we got to take a look at these shoes, man. I'm excited to get these. I think they're probably, in my opinion, one of the best Jordan ones releasing this year. I'm saying it now. I think by the end of the year, people are going to say, yeah, those were pretty dope. You know, I know we had like Lucky Greens and some others, but I think these might be. So let's get them in hand and take a look and see what we're looking like. Man, this weather out here right now was magnanimous. Can't wait to see what the day holds. You got these Jones. You got all the Jordans you need right now. Oh, right. Got the non-fishing joints, rainbow trout. Yeah, these are just 50 years of hip hop. I don't even know what this means. Interesting. Wow, man. What you need, LeBron. Flight 85, 95s. Wow. Bag secured. Shout out to Finish Line, Status Access, and the Status Rewards. You can't be mad rolling out the door for under 170 bucks. All right, y'all, so the pack is secure. Got the Wash Heritage Status Access. I think I used a $20 off bonus there, so it was like $169, man. So good deal. Tons of stuff sitting in the store, and I hate that term sitting. It's just shoes in the store, man. It's like the good old days. So if you want a pair of kicks, like a fresh pair of J's, man, get yourself out in the Finish Line, Foot Lockers, whatever. If you want a pair of Jordans, they are there. And this is what we've been wanting. So I'm tired. I don't want to hear people crying, oh, this is trash, this is trash. Nah, this is just the long effects of, you know, a billion drops. And people don't have unlimited funds. Like, let's just keep it 100% 1,000 real. 100% 1,000. But yeah, it's shoes out there. So go get you a pair. But I'm glad to get these in hand. Can't wait to break them out, take a closer look. So let's see what we got. All right, squad, so we are now in the studio, in the lab, and you see what we got in hand. We got the Air Jordan 1 Wash Heritage, different box, which, you know, like when they give us a little fresh take on the classic Jordan 1 box. It's fresh from Finish Line, literally minutes ago. Get the label, something to that effect. All right, let's get into it. Got your typical box, nothing special there. Basic paper. And now, let's see what they gave us. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Just let that overall suede and white, very similar to the Hyper Royals, the Wash Pink, obviously, that just came out for the women. Got those for the wife, but they gave us the vintage midsole. Definitely like that 80 midsole. And then the bottom, it's like a dark, smoky gray. It's not black. That's different. Is it black? I guess it is black. But overall, really nice, man. First glance, nice shoe. Let's see what we got. We take a quicker look, closer look. All right, so we got a gray, kind of antique white on this tongue. So your typical Jordan 1 tongue. You got black and red on the logo on the tongue tag, which is different. Okay, basic leather, nothing special here. On that leather on the toe box, on the midfoot. And then everything else is this gray wash suede. Pretty clean. Has that embossed, was that the debossed Air Jordan Wings logo. Then we got a light suede also around the collar, light gray, which is also cool. I think it's a clean pair personally. Really nice. What are y'all thinking? Did y'all pick these up this morning? Is this a cop, must cop, pass? I know people waiting on so much more that's coming, down the road, but this was one I think that at the end of the year, like I said, I think people are gonna go back and say, that was a really fire drop that happened in 2023. Some things happen. I know like these are in the same family as the Turbo Greens, Hyper Royals, and the Wash Pink. So I've got Hyper Royals, wife's got the Wash Pink, now we got these. I'm not a big fan of the Turbo Greens. Y'all have that whole collection? Let me know down in the comments. What are y'all thinking? And rating wise, I give these like 8.5. I mean, a very nice staple. I think these will go with a lot. Some gray sweats, jeans, whatever, black sweats. Just a clean pair. Not a whole lot to say there, but I think this is one of the best cops so far. Nice general release. They're sitting in stores. If you want them, go get them. Don't worry if you took an L on sneakers this morning. They're there. So hit us down in the comments. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe, notification bell. We keep coming with more info for you. Lock in on IG at Real Daddy C, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.